Hello and welcome to TXM TV. I'm Anthony Clyne, Adaptability. And today I'm going to talk about pacing changes for the business need and the cultural capacity. So in this highly dynamic environment, it is important to help the business adapt. As change leaders, this is a new way of working that is far more nimble than in the past. Decisions made today may be imperfect. We are seeing a lot of decisions that are made as companies contract and expand to match the environmental restrictions and easings. Being in tune with your company's capacity for change is vital. The historic role of Change Management Steering Committee is now replaced with the Employee Pulse Team. This team works in shorter intervals and meets to identify emotional sensitivities and how to navigate through actions with greater sense of respect and mutual understanding. The topics are proactive and reactive that the Pulse team cover. Proactive support comes in a way of knowing how teams are coping, how they're equipped to deal with changes and how they're functioning on a day-to-day basis. Daily individual indicators are useful, but it is the role of the frontline leader to make sure that each of their team have a personal support network. The humble leader delegates this as well as respects their own relationship with each individual to talk about personal feelings and ability to cope with the volume of change. So there is plenty of change and we need to not just assume that people can cope because there's the social volume of change, but we need to support them and make sure that they're supported every day so that when change is needed, they're better equipped to adapt and to appreciate a new way of working is required and make the right decisions that helps the betterment of them as individuals and of the company. So I'm Anthony Clyne and thank you for watching this episode of TXM TV. Remember to like our LinkedIn page and forward on and share this post. Thank you.